Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today we're changing an air filter in a 2020 Ford Explorer with the 3-liter V6 Ecoboost engine. And here's the car, and I apologize, it's not very clean right now, but we'll have to deal, you know. Sometimes that happens. Look, I got some dust here and the exterior isn't very clean either. Okay, the first step we do is we open the hood, and I think everyone knows how to do it. In case you don't, we have this lever here and it has it on it, pull twice, so once, twice, and then the hood pops open. Once it's popped open, you of course prop it open, you know, and if in case you're wondering why you have to pull twice, it's because you don't have the safety here anymore. I mean, all those little things where you grab and push them up to unlatch them, you don't have a safety in here. Your safety is pulling twice. And a really good design from Ford, when the door is shut, you can't pull twice. You can't open your hood on accident. So that is a pretty good design by Ford. Here's the engine, 3-liter V6 engine, the Ecoboost, the twin turbos. It's been pretty good. We never had any issues with it. A very smooth engine, runs good, is pretty reliable engine. The air filter box is right here. It's this thing, and unfortunately, to change the filter, you have to undo the screws on each side, remove it, and of course there's little tabs here. Take those out too, which they are just, let's see, snap and they open. So that's what you do with those. So that's pretty easy. As for the screws, you need a flathead screwdriver. Like I have one right here. So flathead screwdriver, and that'll do the job. I'll put the camera down, I'll undo it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's a tip from me. Only undo this side here and leave that side on. There's plenty of room to pull this up and then pull the filter out. That's the dirty filter. We'll look at it a little bit closer once it's out, and then we'll put a new filter in. Unfortunately, I have to put the camera away for a second. Let's see if I can put it on here. I have a little mini tripod here, and that might work. So, yeah, I need a cameraman or camera woman, whatever, but I do not. So it's a low budget show here. I'll do everything by myself. Oh, look, that worked really good. And here's the filter. Look how dirty that is. See that? It's pretty sticky dirty, and it's the first one. So instead of just blowing it out, I'll just replace it with a new Motorcraft air filter. So I'll chuck that, put that in the garbage. Right now it goes up here on the steps. And the air filter box here, let's check if that's clean enough. Is there any debris in it? Yes, there's a little bit of debris in it, so I'm going to take a vacuum. I'll vacuum that out, and once it's vacuumed out, I'll put in the new filter. So hang on there, I'm just going to vacuum this out. Alright, I got that step done, and here's the new air filter. It's a Motorcraft filter, part number FA1884, so FA La Fox Alpha. Why did I buy a Motorcraft filter? I just trust Motorcraft filters a little bit more than the aftermarket ones that you get. Of course, there's some good brands out there, but just as my choice of filter. Here it is. Nice in a little plastic bag here. Let me undo that. Yeah, I'll put you down again here so I can undo it. So here it is. I'm gonna put dirty fingerprints on it. Look at that. Isn't that a big difference from the old one to this one here? Look at that. Beautiful. So pretty nice, clean air filter, and I'm gonna pop that back in there. So, and that's really easy. You just go in like this side first, and it should fall right in as it does. Look how that fits like a glove, you know. It's another reason you take Ford parts, everything fits And yeah, you just sure that everything goes. Then you have to work that on there, like this, so don't break anything. See? And put the clamps back on here. I can't do it with one hand. I'll put the camera away. So you put these back on, tighten that up, and then we should be done. So I'll be right back. I'll do that. Okay, guys? Don't leave. All right, I got it back together. It wasn't as easy as I thought, because this here, you see that? Didn't want to go in. And I thought, why does it not want to go in? Because the whole box didn't sit all the way in. So these tabs here, they need to be underneath this. See that? So they need to go underneath it. So you slide it this way in, and then it snaps right back in, and then you tighten your bolt, your screw right here. Okay, so it's in now. I'll put my screwdriver away, and we'll start the car. Everything should run just fine. You know, it's just an air filter, so why wouldn't it run? But yeah, I really made sure that this is good and tight, and man, we have to clean that car. It's so dirty and so dusty from the winter still. I mean, it's been washed out, the exterior has been washed many times, but with the weather, yeah, you know, no excuses. All right, let's turn it on. Yeah, we know the vehicle is on, door is open. What else? Okay. There you go. Runs good. Alright, runs good. Nice and smooth. Like I said, this car here doesn't really cause any issues. It typically runs without any problems, so it's pretty good vehicle. We've had it for a while, and we enjoy it as a family. Alright guys, that was a short video about how to replace the air filter, and it is the 2020 Ford Explorer, the Platinum Edition, and it is the 3-liter V6 twin turbo Ecoboost engine. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to share, comment, give me a like, all of it. It's easy and it's fast, and it does help me a lot. It makes me feel like people enjoy my videos. Alright, have a really wonderful day, and I will see you on this channel very soon. Have a good one.